So the Jamaican dancehall artist Vybz Kartel is now out here trying to catch up for the time lost and enjoy life as he has spent the last 12 years of his life behind bars. Vybz Kartel got on a private jet for the first time after his release and was out here speaking about it. Let's check it out.
Yeah, baby. No long me not travel private. I bought this. Oh, I really know, man. Let's say badness there now. No? Oh. That's my baby right there. You heard? You know Gaza Nation. After 12 years. Back above the clouds, you know? Sky life. My life badness. No? Oh?
A lot of people used to say, Saddam's an idiot, watch her, Kartel's not coming out of prison, she's so foolish, just watching me from the sidelines, only for us to be here right now, together.
You want the patient
Okay,
to sit?
okay. Now yes.
Ready? You want the patient
Okay,
to sit?
okay. Now yes.
Ready?
Dr. Paul, big up yourself, my general. Enough love from me and Isaac. No? Oh?
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.